It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. This is October 29th, Ogdensburg, New Jersey. And I think we're going to have a record snowfall. This is out here in the backyard. Cats hang out here. And there's our garage and chicken coop down at the end there. But it's snowing. I don't know if you, well, we can zoom in on this and get it, but you can see it. It's coming down. They say they're predicting, I don't know, 8 inches, 12 inches. We're going to chiller today, and who knows what we're going to encounter on the way home. But for now, let's enjoy the snow and see what we get. For everybody, all our friends across the board, all around the world, this is probably usual for you guys. John in Denmark and Jay in Finland, they get snow all the time, but for us, we don't normally get this. So I'll have to come back and see what kind of situation we got going later. Alright. Thank you very much.